Welcome back. So we'll continue with the topic tenses. So in the last class we were discussing about the simple present tense, and now we'll see what is this present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. So the continuous tense. So what is this continuous tense? So we usually we use the continuous tense for ongoing actions or actions that happen a while before completion. So for example, they are studying all night. So they are studying all night means the studying last night many hours before it is finished. So in continuous tenses we are using the be verbs. So the be verbs like is, are, am, was, were, and the be itself in future continuous. So if you see here in the slide we have present continuous tense. So the sentence structure of the present continuous tenses is subject plus the be verb am, is, are. So these are the be verbs that we use in present continuous along with the main verb. So in main verb we change the main verb, the root word, in addition to the root word we add the suffix ing to make the sentence a continuous, and then the object. So subject plus be verb plus ing plus object is the sentence structure of the present continuous tenses. So for example, the children are just having their breakfast. So here the main verb is have and the be verb is are. Okay. So when you have a ing form of action word in a sentence, that is the continuous process. So we call it as a continuous tense. So then coming to the next, that is past continuous. So past continuous again. So the forms of verbs that we use in the continuous tenses is the main verb, where we add the suffix ing to make it as a continuous tense, and the helping verbs are the be verbs. So for present tense we use only the be verbs am, is, are, and for the past tense we use was and were along with the main verb plus ing, and for future tense we use will and be itself as a verb. So I will be eating pizza. I will be eating pizza. Yes. So will be eating. So be itself is a be verb here. Eat is the root word. In addition to eat, we add ing along with it and make it as a continuous tense to tell that the process is not over. The action is not over yet. It's ongoing. I will be eating tomorrow. Okay. So then if you see the perfect tense, the perfect form. So what is this perfect form? If you see, so the present perfect means, the present perfect is perfect tense is a little more complicated. It's used for actions that relate to other points in time, either completed or ongoing sometimes. So for example, she has just bought a typewriter. So she has just bought a typewriter. So the action is over. Buying a typewriter is over. Yes. So here the sentence structure of the perfect tense is subject plus has or have plus past participle form of verb, that is adding ed. Yes. Plus object. So this is the sentence structure of the present perfect tense that we should remember. And like the continuous tense, in present the perfect tense we always use the have verb for all the present perfect form of verbs, either it be present or past or future, we use have verbs. So if you see another example for I have done my best and the rest is God's will, we are using a have verb, then do is the action word there, and the past participle form of is done. So since it is an irregular you don't have an ed, so it is done. So many have certified that he is a good cook. So here the past participle form of verb we have used. So certify is the root word, so we add past participle form, the so called ed, to the main verb along with the have verbs. So have, as it depends on the person, accordingly we use. So perfect tense, what you should remember is it has the have verbs and the main verb will be in the past participle form, and in cases we have irregular verb forms.